All right, so I'm going to show you how you can use AirDNA to find investment properties. So I'm currently on the home page, and here you can search for different markets, right? We have different cities, like we have Logan, we have Dayton, we have Las Vegas, Fort Wayne. You can choose submarkets as well and look at them as well. We have Denver Heights, which is doing pretty well right now. We have Midtown St. Louis. Let's look for properties in Denver Heights. Okay, it is a good market. And of course, you can go ahead and search for a specific location as well. Come here in the search bar if you want a property closer to your home. And you can just come here and click on for sale properties. They have about 155 of them in Denver Heights. So all you're going to do is come here and click on those. Okay, as you can see, the market is pretty good, the market score. And here you'll see a bunch of different properties that are listed. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,600 square feet, listed for about $249,000. The yield is pretty good, honestly. It has a $39,000, revenue expectancy, 56% occupancy rate. You can charge about $192 per day. So let me look at this property further. So you just go ahead and click on a property you want to look at. Okay. And then we'll wait for this to load up. And you can see the exact details. You can see a bunch of different photos. You can scroll down as well. And this is the financial calculator where you can go ahead and look at the cap rate. So we're expecting operating expenses of about $17,900 when we put it for a short-term rental. And we're expecting to make about $22,000 net operating income. You can also customize the estimate here, depending on, for example, management fee. If you don't want a management fee, if you want to do it yourself, you can go ahead and make this into 0, right? Put that as 0, and then you can see your new cap rate, 11.41%, for example. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.